Hi everyone, this is Radinia Morrison with Teaching Little Minds of Tomorrow Tutoring Services, and my 7-year-old son is going to help me today. We're going to be talking about fractions, okay? So we got these little fraction pieces here, and he's going to explain each set, all right? Let's start with one whole. Valor. Okay, you want to start?
Yeah. My name is Valor.
All right.
And this is one whole.
All right. And next we have what?
2 1/2.
Wow.
Okay.
3 1/3.
All right.
4 1/4.
All right.
Of course, it's called a quarter.
Yeah. And then next we have what?
5 5 1/5.
Okay. And then what?
6 1/6.
All right.
8 1/8.
Okay.
10 1/10.
And lastly?
12. That's missing logo. 12 1/12.
All right. Yeah, it's missing one. All right. But we can still do this video. All right. So.
How about my finger?
Okay. Yeah, you can use that as a little substitute for now. But listen, I want you to do a problem for me. Like, if you have 2 1/2, what does that make?
A hole.
Right. So put them on the whole and let everyone see that you can have 2 1/2,
Excuse me.
which equals 1 whole, right? Okay.
Yes.
So now, if you do the thirds, how many of those will equal 1 whole? Well, let's take the halves off first, and then we'll do the thirds. So, if you do the thirds, how many of those equals 1 whole?
3.
Right. So 3 1/3 or 3/3 equals 1 whole. Then do the same thing with the fourths, right? We're letting everybody see, if you put all those pieces together of the halves, of
You're
the
gonna make a
thirds,
hole.
or the fourths, they're going to make a whole, all right? Because they're only parts of a whole, all right? Do you remember, let me ask you a question. Do you remember what we call the top number in a fraction? Do you remember? The numerator.
Numerator?
Yes. And the bottom number is called the denominator. All right? This is how we take parts of a whole to make a whole, okay? We want to thank you so much for joining us today on our fraction tutorial lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.